Hi, I'm Tinny from Mini Bull Design, and today I'm back out in the factory and we're going to build M1s and M2 SBs today and nipple caps. So I guess I better quit talking and get busy because it's going to be an interesting day. Not really up for this, but got to be done. It's 50 degrees out, overcast and raining, so I'm not missing anything outside. So let's get busy. Well, I've too many cigarettes. Well, I've got the M1s made and the M2 SBs made. And the store still has 3 nipple caps in there, so it's not sold out yet. Now, when I worked at Osram, Sylvania for 30 years, I had to be there at 3, and I got out at 11:30. 5 days a week, sometimes 6. And I got a break at 5 o'clock and 10 o'clock. And ate supper at 8:30. Every day. No compromise. And in between those hours, I had to be in the plant, on the floor, working on the equipment. Now that I'm my own boss, I take a break anytime I want to. And if I don't want to work, I don't. That's quite a luxury after 30 years of a very structured manufacturing environment. It's nice. Now, I'm supposed to make nipple caps this afternoon, and my point here is I'm not in the mood to make nipple caps. Just having one of them days where I don't want to. There's still 3 in the store. I can make them tomorrow. So that's what I'm going to do. That's all part of being your own boss. As long as you don't abuse it too much, there's a lot of free time. This last month, April, was very slow. It was nice. I really enjoyed it. There was lots of days where I only worked a couple hours in the morning. A lot of days I just took off and didn't work at all. It was fun. And the sales were at a level that I wouldn't mind having them there all the time. As far as the business running, if every month I had was like this last April, I'd be happy. I could, if I knew it was going to be that way all the time, I could structure it so I'd only have to work maybe 2 days a week and just take the rest of the time off and backpack or ride my bike or whatever. That would be nice. But business has picked up this month already, so I know I'm going to be back to 6-day or 7-day week before I get done. It's really starting to pick up, and I've really got to get behind the 8 ball and start pushing. Not looking forward to it, but it's my lot in life. I think when I turn 100, I'm going to retire. Just backpack. I'm Tinny from Mini Bull Design. Get out and hike, take a friend, enjoy the great outdoors, and more important than anything, try to have a really great day. Try to take some time out to have some fun today. Have some fun today. Life will just go better. Just stop and do anything, just to have a little goof around fun. I'd go for a walk, something. It's worth it. Life's too short. Bye-bye.